Hey everybody, welcome back for another video, and today we're gonna open up this box. What we've got here is the 10 lug wheel adapters. I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason my audio didn't record when I recorded this clip. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is get the camera set up and then we'll come back. Okay, got the camera set up here. Let's get this box opened up. And I ordered these. Only one set came in. Wasn't sure what to expect when I opened up the box. These things are extremely heavy, but there they are. And what I'm about to do is notice that there's a difference between one and the other. And at first I was not real happy about it. I'll do a zoom in here when I get the other one out. Yeah, right there I just noticed it. I'm looking at it. I'm like, what the? See, the part that the rim rides on there is really short on that one, and they're really long on the other one. So I'm going to get them out and compare side by side. And you can see there that the hubs are longer. So the one on the top, that one there, is for the rear, and that one's for the front. I was expecting them both to be like that one with longer hub area for the rim to ride on. Turns out not that big of a deal. I would have preferred to have the hubs longer so that I could cut them myself. Alright, well, I went ahead and tried them. Got them to fit. That's what I was talking about here. There's half an inch of material that's not sitting on a web or a shelf. Also, these studs are going to have to be replaced at some point. They're too short. So there's that. Got the Jeep cowling on there, kind of getting things mocked up. Cowling, which I think is going to slide back a little bit. Front seat, back seat. That's that seat I originally wanted to try and fit in there, and I think I'm going to make it work. That's going to be about how wide the Jeep is. Be 6 feet wide across there. Should be able to fit 4 people across the back, which was my initial plan. And then I was thinking here, I got 3 of these seats. I might just be able to put 3 of them side by side. So we'll see what happens. If I do 3 side by side, then I can do the outer 2 as captain's chairs, and they can spin around. That one in the center can maybe fold back. But ain't got much room in the old garage. There's that one, if you can see in there. Alright. This thing is going to work out to be just like an inch under 8 foot wide-ish. Only 2 of those adapters came in, so I could only do the 2 sides. And she's sitting pretty cattywampus, as you can probably tell. I got a picture I'll probably throw in there as well so you can see that. But that's about as far as we got. I really need to get those other 2 wheel adapters so I can put the wheel on the other side and get the thing level. Then I can start mocking up this cowling and getting it installed. Now, I think what I'm going to do is, this angle is 10 feet long, and I'm just going to start right there and work my way back, and later I'll come back and unbolt this and slide it forward, drill new holes if I have to somewhere. But that's what we've got.